Welcome to our channel. Activating your employer-issued employee card online is necessary before you can use it for work-related expenses. Step 1. Locate the activation website or instructions provided by your employer with the employee card. Step 2. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the activation website. Step 3. Look for the employee card activation section on the home page. Step 4. Enter your complete 16-digit card number found on the front of your employee card. Step 5. Provide your employee ID number or other verification information requested by your employer. Step 6. Enter additional verification details such as your date of birth or the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Step 7. Create a secure PIN for your employee card by choosing a 4-digit number that you'll remember. Step 8. Confirm your PIN by entering it again to ensure you've typed it correctly. Step 9. Review your employer's card usage policies and spending limits displayed during activation. Step 10. Submit your activation request by clicking the Activate or Complete button. Step 11. Wait for the confirmation screen showing your card has been successfully activated. Step 12. Sign the back of your employee card with a permanent marker. Your employer-employee card is now active and ready for approved business purchases and expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.